Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21e and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on edit contact and pick the camera icon. As you can see, we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. And here we have to decide where we want to complete this action. I will pick the albums just once. Now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And then pick the albums to crop the picture. And here from this step we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can change the size of it also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on this confirmation mark and as you can see, the photo has been applied to this circle. So remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact looks like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list or for example during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.